Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're out on our camp. We're out camp beside the beach, not far from Ely in Fife. No hammocks this trip. I've got the Lanshan 2 there. Keith's in a wee nightcat number there. We've got the kayaks with us also. We're going to wait till the tide comes back in a bit, and then we're going to put the kayaks in the water, go for a paddle. But this Lanshan, this is the first time I'm going to be camping in it. I had previously set it up in the back garden over a year ago, seam sealed it, but God knows what's happened, it's flaking off. So we'll take a look at it. I've set it up no bad. Like it says, second time setting it up, so it is what it is. The wind's picked up a bit here, so it's a bit of a pain in the arse. It's a nice looking wee tent though, I like it. Did a couple of wee mods to it when I put it up the first time, put a couple of these key ring chains on it. Same with here. Look at that seam sealer up peeling off. Take a look inside. It's no bad wee tent actually, perfect for a one man. Right, tonight's setup, we'll just go through it quick. We've got a Thermarest Z-Lite, an OEX inflatable mat. I've just opted for I've got a down quilt, I'm not bothered about a sleeping bag. I'll just throw that over as pillow. Small spray. This is my wee kitchen area. Pink. Look at this. The wee man's a lot of skill with my bag, so I've had to use the wife's nice pink number for my food. Got the jet boil skillet. Got my jet boil there. Water, some beers. Wee lightweight table painted black. Just to start my electrics in that, etc. What else have we got in here? The drone's in the corner. Aye. Not a lot of stuff here, but that'll do. We'll get some food on in a wee while. I've got what have I got? A beef stir fry type thing to hay and pita breads. So we'll cook that later on. Hopefully that's tasty. What about the view though? We'll give this a go, eh? I'm in the banana. It's not as big as my canoe, but we'll see how we go on. Water looks a bit rough like, but fuck it. Pretty choppy, eh? Oh. Go on, my son. That was entertaining. Water's a bit choppy. The banana failed. Definitely going to get something like Keith's got. Mind you, his was all over the place too. So I fell off a couple of times, but that is what it is. We'll get these back on the cars. We'll get back to the tent, get dressed, warmed up, we'll get some food on the go, and get a beer opened. Right, tonight's food we've got, marinated it last night. It's like frying beef in like a Korean sauce. So I've marinated it with onions and peppers. So we'll get that in the pan. Should have brought my windbreaker, I never brought it. And we'll get there though. What about the view though? Right then, that's the sun just going down. Hopefully it drops out the clouds again, we'll get a better view of it. That's the food cooked. I'm cooking my Korean stir fry thing that I marinated last night. I've got pita breads for that, and I've got a beer to wash it down. So I'm going to start getting this ready. It's been cooking away nicely there, so that looks perfect. Let's give this a wee taste test. Beautiful. Wee beer to wash it down. Oh, fantastic. Oh, that's a fire going perfect now. Got a wee fire pit. Right then guys, that's just in the tents, chilling out. Wait to watch someone on YouTube, get the munchies on the go. What a bit of a laugh tonight. In the kayaks, paddling against the tide. It was a workout in itself. Chilled out with some nice food, a few beers and a good fire, bit of banter. What more could you ask for? Oh, a good sleep hopefully. Catch us in the morning guys. Oh, good morning. That was a fantastic sleep like. I'll get a coffee on. Well guys, that's it for another camp. Nice wee coastal camp. Keith brought me to this wee place on the edge of the river, or the coast, whatever you want to call it. Was out last night with the Lanshan 2, cracking wee tent, nice and lightweight. Was out with Keith for KDM Outdoors again. Cheers for bringing us to this wee spot, mate. You dick. We're going to get packed up and get down the road. I'll put a link for Keith's channel in the description, and I'll catch you on the next one guys.